Most business leaders aren't saying no to AI, they're just saying not yet. The problem is that not yet is costing you much more than you realise. What I hear from business leaders almost every day is that we can't get started with AI until our IT systems are upgraded. Our ERP or our CRM are all outdated. There's no place for AI. That logic is flawed. If you wait for the perfect IT system, you'll never get started. You're actually missing the opportunity and you're creating risk within your business by not getting going today. You don't have to boil the ocean, but you do need to get started. What's most being misunderstood by business leaders is this isn't about the biggest IT budget. This is about the right tools in the right hands with the right capability and uplift, and you'll get massive productivity gains, decision-making support. This is the most agile and forward-thinking businesses that win. You don't need a full system overhaul. What you need to start is just leadership fluency and understanding, governance and guardrails, some clear use cases, some right tool selection, and some capability building. That's it. Start where you stand today, build the capability, and let your IT systems catch up. If you're not sure where to get started, get in touch with Generation AI today. We can help.